Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Sing Your English. Today, we will have Sing Your English Quiz Time. Quiz time? Do you want to join? Let's start. Match the animal with its name. We have names of animals on our board. Let me read to you the names of the animals first. Can you join me? Ant, octopus, spider, penguin, fish, mouse, frog, zebra, caterpillar, butterfly, whale, snake. Look at the animals and write what their names are. Do you know these animals? Write your answer on the comment below. I'll give you time to think. Next, what do you think these animals are? Did you get it right? I'm sure you did. Next. Wow! What could these animals be? Think, think, think. Write your answers on the comment below. The last. We have 3 more. What could this be? I'm sure you know their names. Let's think. Okay. Did you get all the names of the animals correctly? I'm sure you did. Write your answers on the comment below. We would like to see your answers. I'm gonna give you more time to think for the last time. Thanks for joining SYE Quiz Time. We'll see you again next time. Bye!